Hello everyone, welcome to day 11 of the prop firm series, I think it is now, and I think we're going to turn this into like a TV show or drama because it feels like every single day something dramatic has happened. It was quite an unusual day today. You can see already with the market we've had a pretty significant downturn on the NASDAQ, but got ready for trading today. It was all ready, and 10 minutes before the market I always restart my PC, my NinjaTrader, everything, so everything's running smoothly including the internet. Came back to log back on, and the copy trader that you can see it's in the corner here at the moment, so it's working fine now. I use affordable indicators, and I've used them for obviously just over a month now since I've started doing prop firms, so I'm fairly new to all this sort of stuff, and went to log in and it was down. And you'll see the screen here. I'll just show you the screen that I have here. So this is the YouTube feed that I did tonight. You can see that's the live. There's me there, and you can see it here. It's basically saying Ninja cannot connect to the internet. So I couldn't connect to any of my prop firm accounts. I couldn't trade, and I was absolutely furious trying to figure out what was going on. Did get an email from Affordable Indicators. Now, they are a fairly new company. They're a small company that they've said, but obviously they've had some problems with this. They're getting it fixed. I've spoken to them. They were nice about it, but it basically cost me trading today. So I was ready to trade and couldn't trade. So that's the session. I mean, what do you do? It feels like I've had a lot of adversity this week, a lot of stuff come up. And again, I'm just trying to be transparent, taking you through it. This is what happens. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers and streamers when they're trading live. Sometimes NinjaTrader goes down, sometimes Tradeovate goes down, sometimes they have problems with their trade copier. This is life, this is trading. If we're looking at the market here, you can see throughout here, we're making lower highs. We had this big move up. I thought we might be sort of going sideways, getting ready to maybe make another move to the upside. And then this afternoon, we came down, we made a lower high, and then we broke through this low. And once we broke through that low, this was before the market opened. This is the breaking through the low here. Once we broke through that low, you can see lower highs, sellers lowering their prices. I used the purple moving average as my trend, so it was downtrending the whole way. And we've just basically had a downtrend the whole session. It's just kept drifting, drifting, and drifting. This was around the open here. We went down, came back up. And then from then on, we've just drifted down. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't trade any of this session, even if I wanted to. There were maybe a couple of small possibilities, but we've done a lot of price on the downside now. Coming towards the end of the session, we're now starting to flatten out. Looking at this 4-hour chart is very, very interesting. We've gone straight down, straight up, and straight down again. I wouldn't be surprised if we find some support here and actually get a move back up to the upside. We have been going up for many, many months. We are definitely slowing. You can see momentum is slowing here on the daily chart. So we could be in for a very interesting 3 to 6 months coming up, but I don't care about that. I care about now. Right now, we've had this massive amount of price coming down to this low down here as well. So maybe we're going to find some support here. We'll see how it closes. We've got a little bit to go, about half an hour to go to the close now. We've done a lot of price here. Maybe we'll find some support. So we'll see what happens on Friday. I don't know what's going to happen again tomorrow. We'll try again and see if we can have not as much drama happening tomorrow, and see if we can just have a normal trading day where we come in and trade normally and everything goes right. But this is what happens with trading. So I'm just going to be persistent. I'm going to be as positive as possible. My cold is a little bit better. It's 50% better, so I'm not coughing and spluttering all over the place. But look, as I said, this is the thing with trading. You've just got to be persistent. You've just got to be positive. You've just got to keep going and show up tomorrow. So we'll show up tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. We've got so many positive and lovely comments from people with all the adversity I've had over the past couple of weeks. I'm learning, and I think a lot of people are really appreciating that I'm just sort of failing in front of you, having these problems, and I don't really see it as failing, but learning the lessons along the way. So hopefully you learn these lessons as well. I'm learning, and pretty soon we're just going to be, as I said, just be persistent, and it's all going to click and all come together. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.